Tensions continue to flare in Litan area of Ukhrul district as fresh arson and gunfight is reported again. Despite the claim of successful meeting among community leaders by Deputy Chief Minister Lucy Diko, who visited Litan yesterday in an effort to calm things there, fresh arson was reported this morning, followed by incident of firing. The situation worsened despite the deployment of good amount of central security forces, including Indian Army. Meanwhile, the state government responded by suspending internet services in the district for 5 days and imposing a curfew. About 10 houses were burnt down by miscreants this morning, while villagers have fled to neighboring villages to take shelter. Security forces are making efforts to restore normalcy and to avoid further clash in the area. The ban on internet service in Ukhrul district came after various videos from unverified sources continued to surface in social media platforms.
Firing murder da sang wearing thorsong. Isi mukabla kumna simang ngabne. Automatic weapon mange.